Model, 2008 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2900 Cdti Swb. Great color, runs spares or repairs. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 138947. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhpg. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 2 replacing. Check engine light on the dash due to this. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.